Welcome to Best Choice. The best lab tools is probably one of the most crucial investments for any scientific endeavor, whether you're a seasoned researcher, a curious hobbyist, or a student embarking on exciting experiments, because having reliable, accurate, and user-friendly equipment can significantly impact the precision of your results and the overall efficiency of your work, transforming complex tasks into manageable steps and ensuring your discoveries are built on a solid foundation of quality instrumentation. Number 5. Elikliv Digital Microscope EDM 4.3-inch. Experience crystal clear visuals with its 720p HD digital imaging. This large screen displays real-time images and videos, enhancing ergonomics and eliminating eye strain. Zoom in and explore incredible details with powerful magnification. It allows you to see the world in a whole new way, revealing what's invisible to the naked eye. Effortlessly connect it to your Windows or MacBook for an even larger viewing experience. Share live images with others and easily save your discoveries for later analysis. 8 adjustable LED lights provide perfect illumination for every observation. They ensure clear, detailed views even in challenging low-light conditions, significantly improving image quality. This device is ideal for circuit board inspection, coins, jewelry, and even STEM education. It's a fantastic gift for hobbyists, students, and professionals alike. Its height-adjustable stand offers flexibility for various magnification needs. Easily find the perfect viewing angle and achieve precise focus for clearer images every time. With a built-in rechargeable battery, it provides up to 3 hours of continuous use. This ensures portability and extended operation, perfect for both indoor and outdoor exploration. What we like. This digital microscope offers a crisp 4.3-inch HD display for clear viewing. If you are looking for a portable device with a good screen and the flexibility to connect to your computer, this is an excellent choice. Its built-in rechargeable battery makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor exploration. What people say. Number 4. Foosi All-Size Capsule Filling Kit. This innovative kit simplifies capsule filling, accommodating all sizes from number 000 to number 5. You no longer need to measure or worry about compatibility. It handles every capsule with ease. This comprehensive 11-piece set provides all the necessary tools for every step. From powder preparation to final storage, it ensures a smooth and efficient process. It's truly the most complete solution available. Designed for speed and precision, it features customized tools for each capsule size. This thoughtful design helps you quickly fill capsules and avoid repetitive actions, saving you valuable time and effort. The unique compression tool allows you to increase capsule capacity by up to 100%. This means you can fit more into each capsule while simultaneously reducing its volume, making it more comfortable to swallow. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, it resists rust and corrosion, ensuring long-term durability. Its non-slip vinyl handle provides a secure and comfortable grip for effortless use. All components are neatly stored in a beautiful and practical box. This makes it easy to access your tools whenever you need them and keeps your workspace tidy. What we like. This comprehensive kit is designed to fill all capsule sizes, from number 000 to number 5. If you need a complete solution that saves time and money with dedicated tools for each step, this kit is ideal. Its compression tool can even increase capsule capacity, reducing the discomfort of taking pills. What people say. Number 3. 15 PCS Stainless Steel Microscope Set. This 15-piece kit offers a wide range of tools, including dual-head spatulas and various micro spoons. It's perfect for diverse laboratory applications, making your work more efficient. Transferring materials is effortless with its dual-head spatulas. The pointed head spoons are excellent for accurate ingredient mixing, especially in deep containers. Designed with long handles, it allows for easy material extraction. This set is ideal for both professional labs and hobbyists, enhancing all experimental processes. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it ensures exceptional durability and resistance to corrosion. This provides reliable performance for all your material handling needs. Its stainless steel construction makes cleaning incredibly easy. This streamlines lab work and professional tasks, whether in a kitchen or a home setting. What we like. This 15-piece set provides a versatile range of dual-head spatulas and spoons for various lab applications. If you value precision in transferring and mixing materials, especially in deep containers, this durable stainless steel set is perfect. Its long handles and easy-to-clean design make it suitable for both professional labs and hobbyists. What people say. Lab tools are designed for high precision, ensuring accurate and consistent experimental results. Many lab tools are constructed from durable, chemical-resistant materials, providing long-term reliability. Number 2. 22-piece stainless steel lab spatula microscope set. This comprehensive set provides 22 microspoons and spatulas. They come in various sizes and shapes, making them versatile for almost any situation. Each tool features a clever double-sided design. Use the flat or spoon end for transferring, and the pointed scoop for mixing in deep containers. Its long handles allow you to easily retrieve materials from deep bottles and cans. This makes it perfect for both laboratory and hobby applications. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these tools are built to last. They are sturdy, durable, and resistant to corrosion, ensuring reliability with various materials. Cleaning this set is incredibly easy. Beyond lab work, it's also useful for tasks like scooping gel cap filler, or even for professional use in your kitchen or home. What we like. With 22 pieces, this set offers an extensive collection of microspoons and spatulas in various shapes and sizes. If you need a wide array of tools for diverse lab tasks and appreciate sturdy, anti-corrosion stainless steel, this is a great option. Its double-sided design allows for efficient material handling and mixing in any container. What people say. Number 1. TOMLOV DM97 Digital Microscope. Discover hidden details in coins, stamps, and rocks, or use it for intricate micro-soldering. It's perfect for adults, students, and hobbyists alike, making exploration fun for the whole family. Featuring a 12MP camera and 1080p imaging, it captures stunning high-quality images and videos. Its 90-degree rotatable screen enhances comfort, reducing eye and neck strain during long viewing sessions. Zoom in to observe the tiniest details with an impressive magnification range. 10 LED lights, including 2 gooseneck lights, ensure your view is always perfectly illuminated. Compatible with Windows and Mac OS, it allows you to view your discoveries on a larger screen. No extra software is needed, simply connect and open your computer's built-in camera app for easy data sharing. A 16GB micro SD card is included, pre-installed, so you can store countless photos and videos. Easily switch between photographing, video recording, and playback modes with a simple button press. Built with a solid aluminum alloy base, stand, and holder, it ensures long-term durability. This robust design makes it ideal for demanding tasks like micro-soldering and PCB repairs. What we like. This microscope boasts a large 7-inch rotatable FHD screen and a 12MP ultra-precise focusing camera for incredible detail. If you are looking for a robust and high-resolution viewing experience, especially for tasks like micro-soldering or coin observation, this is your go-to. Its solid metal frame ensures long-term durability and stability for demanding applications. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.